let's go across to our expert for today then, and we are being joined by Vinay Rajani. Hi Vinay, thank you so much for your time. First up, like Ansh was just highlighting, that both the benchmark indices are trading in quite a narrow range, and it's more of a short covering led rally that what we are witnessing. Help us with your take on the benchmark indices, and where do you see the index headed?
Yeah, good afternoon and thanks for having me on the show. So yes, it is trading within the range of yesterday's move and recovery is there and sector specific and stock specific. Some good moves can be seen on the upside also. So there is a stock specific market. Nifty has risen by 110 points, but this can be considered as a pullback only. But however, the froth I think has gone out and many stocks have started performing. In fact, they are making highs of the recent swings. So basically, if as a trader, I would suggest that try to come out with a stocks which can outperform this market because as far as benchmark indices are concerned, they are likely to remain in the range or consolidate. There is a strong support at 23,460, which happens to be the previous swing low. So that is the stop loss in the long positions of the Nifty. But as far as stocks are concerned, trading is concerned, I can see many opportunity in today's market like healthcare, pharma, and some of the auto stocks and some oil exploration companies are going excellently on the charts and looking very good on the momentum wise. So I see a lot of opportunities in the trading in the stocks, but as far as indices are concerned, I think very strong resistance are there at higher levels. So there would be a consolidation oscillation, but try to come out with the outperformer sectors and stocks that would be a better. So Bank Nifty is having a strong resistance at 50,500, 600. So that might act as a intraday resistance. So let's see how we close in benchmark indices. But yes, there are many opportunities in the stocks today.
Many opportunities in stocks today, and you're talking about outperforming sectors. Today, the specialty chemicals and fertilizers is also standing out. I mean, take a look at Chambal Fertilizers, UPL, Naveen Fluorine for that matter, GNFC. This is a sector which has its, false starts and, a lot of headway around it. What do you make on the charts for some of these companies, UPL, Chambal, Naveen, GNFC?
Yeah, so UPL and Navin Fluorine, I just saw it. A nice recovery in last 3-4 sessions. They have been resilient and did not actually react to the negative sentiments of the market. It's a good sign. Stock like UPL again claiming its level above its 200 days average. So very good sign, very good setup, and they are likely to outperform in the coming days. But in last 4-5 sessions, we already seen a nice recovery. So it might happen that they might fall into some consolidation or running correction. So on dips, definitely one can be looked at. One can look at this counters, looking especially UPL and Naveen Fluorine. So definitely the setup is quite good, but they have risen a lot. So better to adopt a strategy of buy on dips.
All right, can adopt a strategy of buy on dips on such names, but Vinay, also help us with your take on big boy Reliance, because that is seen to be lending some support to the markets. If we look at the stock, then it did take a support at around 1200 levels. But where do you see the stock headed? Because off late, the stock has not done so well. So do you believe that the bigger trend or the trend going ahead is definitely on the negative side, or maybe it's just a dead cat bounce?
There has been a shallow recovery. So the oil exploration companies have been doing well, especially the PSU companies. If we go and see a chart of Oil India, ONGC, these are the oil exploration companies which are doing very good and still looking very strong. As far as Reliance is concerned, it has not recovered that. And yesterday also there was a profit booking. So the recent swing low was around 1200. So I would suggest there is a still chance because this sector is performing well. Crude is going up, which is helping the Reliance. So and developments are there, but we cannot see the price movement on the upside. But still, there is a hope. If somebody is holding a long position, then I would suggest a stop loss of 1200, and keeping that stop loss, one can expect a further recovery from this level. So yes, I am a bit bullish on this particular space, and 1200 should be the stop loss in Reliance.
Specific stock recommendations for our viewers?
Yeah. So, as I said that there are many opportunities in different sectors. One of the sector which I like is the healthcare sector. So, Narayana Hrudayala, which is a hospital stock, which is looking very strong, and in this kind of market and this bearish sentiments, this stock can outperform. So, NH is a code, and that can be bought at 1349. 1320 should be the stop loss. On the higher side, I'm expecting a target of 1425. The second pick also I'm taking from the pharma space, which is the MNC pharma company Pfizer. So Pfizer is looking good. around 5360, 5200 should be the stop loss, and on the ad side, I'm expecting a target of 5600. So keeping a 3 to 4 days view, one can definitely go long in this with a mentioned stop loss. So NH and Pfizer I like.
Clearly, with the healthcare space, those are the two bets coming in from Vinay. But with this, Vinay, we'll let you go on that. Thank you so much, and appreciate the time that you took out and also talked to us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.